That's the only place I know in this whole world where they sell canned buzzard. But
So what?
canned buzzard. You know, like the buzzards that fly.
Can't, but
As in
Canned. So like,
vultures.
like you
I
put
never heard of
canned.
that.
Yeah, they
Like the
sell
buzzards
canned.
that fly around.
Yes, yes, canned buzzard
Who
meat.
would want that?
This is the Pascagoula, Mississippi. That's where you buy that stuff at. But
No, thank you. We'll pass.
huh?
Okay.
We'll pass on that delicacy.
Oh, well, I don't know if it's a delicacy. I never had a chance to eat any of it, but it was. I could not believe that it was a thing. You can ask my wife about it. Canned buzzard.
Do they
But
still make it?
I don't know. I have no idea. But I could probably find a can or ask my mother-in-law because she could run up on a can and send it to you.
No,
But
we'll pass on that.
if you